Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your laptop touchpad is not working, as you can see here, my cursor is not working, then how to fix this problem? If you are facing this problem, then watch the video till the end and follow my steps. First, press Window plus I button from your keyboard and use Tab button to go to the Bluetooth and device. Press arrow button, go down and press enter on Bluetooth and devices. Now use again tab button and then arrow. Go to the touchpad and press the enter button. Now as you can see here touchpad option is disabled. Then press on the enter and then use tab button to go choose option and then press enter on reset. Now you can see here it's enabled and it's working properly. So by this method you can fix the problem. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.